Coco kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spiced ginger cookie log cake. Now this is a really nice dessert, it's really easy and it's great for any special occasion, and it could also make a lighter and healthier alternative to a lot of traditional Christmas desserts. And the cookies are delicious on their own. You could leave some out for Santa. So we start with a cup of rolled oats. Measure this out. Into the blender. And then we will put in half a cup of almonds. And half a cup of cashews. Alright, so we're just going to blend this up till it's fine. Next, just add 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar for a little sweetness, and a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to add some delicious ground ginger. Ground ginger acts a bit like cinnamon. It can help to lower blood sugar, and it's also really good to treat nausea or headache pain. You just need to put like a teaspoon of this in some water and drink it. So I just put in a couple of teaspoons of ginger, and then my favourite, of course, is cinnamon. It's great to put cinnamon in just about everything because it does help with blood sugar control. So I'll put that in. And then I have some ground up cloves. I'll just put half a teaspoon of cloves. That's a nice Christmassy flavour. And then another nice one is cardamom powder. So about half a teaspoon of that. And nutmeg. And then lastly we have some nutmeg, so about half a teaspoon. Right, so now we're just going to blend these together. Okay, so now I'm going to add some organic coconut syrup, which is a nice low GI sweetener. You can put about 1 tablespoon of coconut syrup in. Okay, next we have coconut oil. So I'll put in about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then 2 tablespoons of almond milk or any other plant-based milk. And then just blend. Okay, that's now a nice sticky dough. So finally I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of chopped naked ginger. And this being uncrystallized, it's a bit lower in sugar and a bit less processed than normal crystallized ginger. And it gives a very nice taste to the cookies. So just chop it up a bit. So just mix it in a bit. Alright, so now you want to make about 12 to 14 even sized cookies. So just roll them out a little and press them onto a tray. So you need to wet your hands with a bit of water in between so it doesn't stick. Makes it easier to roll out the cookies. So there's 12 fairly even sized cookies. So they go in the oven at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes and then just let them cool completely. Okay, so my cookies are done and they've cooled down nicely, so they're completely cool. And as I said, these cookies make a delicious treat just as they are. And I'm sure Santa would appreciate one of these. Okay, so but if you want to make the lock, then this is what you do. So we just want to get the cookies a bit moist. So you could use fruit juice, any kind of fruit juice, fresh or bought, or if you want to make it more of an adult dessert, you can use vegan wine. And also here I've got 1 can of coconut cream that I've whipped, and I've added a teaspoon of vanilla and some cinnamon and nutmeg, and no need for any sugar in this because there's plenty of sugar in the rest of the dessert. I'm just going to stir in a 1/4 cup of chopped naked ginger into the cream. First of all, just dip the biscuit into the juice or wine. Just shake it off a little and then just add some cream to that. Then we'll just grab another cookie here and do the same thing. And just sandwich that together and put it onto a serving plate. And just add a little more of the cream. Okay, so now that's made, just use the rest of the cream to cover the whole thing. You've got to work pretty fast if the weather's hot. So all you need to do now, just sprinkle with a little more cinnamon and some nutmeg. There we go. So once that's done, it's best to keep this in the fridge several hours, or ideally overnight, because it allows the biscuits to soften and the lovely ginger flavour to develop. And you can actually keep this for a day or two and the flavour just keeps getting better. So when you want to serve it, it's best to cut on the diagonal like that, so then you'll see all the nice layers of the biscuit inside. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.